Okay, so they talk about using a graphing calculator in this problem. I didn't really see the benefits necessarily, and having a graphing calculator, is not required for this class. They cost about $100. You can get apps that will do the graphing for you for free. But anyway, I just have like a $12 calculator, and I'm just going to show you how I would do this problem using just my basic scientific calculator that I have. So it's the same as the problems we were doing before. They give us two ordered pairs. We know the model, f of x equals a b to the x. They're just maybe not great easy numbers to work with. So for the first one, I'll just use 24.8 equals ab squared, right? Okay, so to solve for a, I can say 24.8 divided by b squared equals a. Okay, so I can say that. Now for the other one, I'm going to say 198.4 equals ab to the fifth, right? Okay. Now I'll go ahead and plug this in for a, and I'll have 198.4 equals 24.8 over b squared times b to the fifth. Okay, so if I want to cancel b's, why not? 198.4 equals 24.8 b cubed, right? Because you're canceling like two of those with two of those, you're going to get the b cubed. Okay, so now I can do the division here. I can divide both sides by 24.8. Let's see, scroll up for me. Okay, and then I'm going to have b cubed equals, whatever this is. Now maybe it works out to be a nice number, maybe it doesn't. I'll just write 198.4 over 24.8. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise that to the 1/3 power, similar to what we did in another example, to find b. Okay, so let me put that in my calculator. Okay, so I went to my calculator and then I thought it was giving me a funny answer, so I used the calculator on my phone. Anyway, this turns out to be a nice little number, 2. So we want 2 to the 1/3. I'm sorry, it turns out to be 8. So we want 8 to the 1/3, which is 2. Okay, so now we know what A is, and well, we know what B is. Okay, so now we can go back and plug that B in. So it's going to be 24.8 over 2 squared. That's going to equal A. So it's going to be 24.8 divided by 4, which is going to be 6.2 for A. Okay, so we go to our model up here that we had in green, and we're going to put in the A and B. So let me write the model. F of x equals ab to the x. So you can see the whole thing. So we're going to say f of x equals 6.2 times, my b was 2 to the x. Now, in the book they show you how to do it on a graphing calculator, and you can do that and look at that if you want. I just don't show that. One, I don't know where my graphing calculator is, and you're not required to have a graphing calculator for this class. So